Salam guys, I am here again with a new piece of artwork. I am gonna paint this canvas today. Let's draw some traces to make the art perfect and beautiful as it should be. Oh yes, and these are the colors we are going to try today on our canvas. As I have started to paint, let's talk about the importance of this surah side by side. Surah Ikhlas is the 112th surah of the Quran. At the heart of Surah Al-Ikhlas lies the concept of Tawhid, the affirmation of Allah's absolute oneness. Surah Al-Ikhlas affirms the concept of Allah's oneness and invalidates all forms of idolatry and polytheism. This solidifies the significance of Surah Al-Ikhlas as the entire foundation of Islam is built on the absolute belief in Allah's oneness. As per Islam, there is no other God besides Allah. Let's add some embellishes to enhance the beauty and make it more understandable by the audience. Here we go. Obliged.